Are you curious about how much memory your variables are really using in Go? If you've ever wondered about the memory cost of maps and slices, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to accurately measure the memory size of variables in Go. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you think you're measuring something correctly, only to find out the results are off. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with memory in Go. Let's take a look at the specific question that sparked this discussion. One user wrote in asking, "How can I get the memory size of a variable in Go?" They mentioned using unsafe size of, but were confused when the output didn't change with different sizes. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what's going on here? The issue arises because unsafe.sizeof only returns the size of the variable itself, not the underlying data it points to. This can lead to misleading results, especially with slices and maps. Let's break this down further. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that will help you understand memory management in Go even better. To accurately measure the memory size of a slice and a map in Go, the user should first understand that the unsafe size of function only returns the size of the slice or map descriptor, not the actual memory used by the underlying data. Next, the user should calculate the total memory usage by considering the length and capacity of the slice, as well as the number of elements in the map. For slices, the user can multiply the length by the size of the element type. The user can implement this calculation in their testmem function. They should modify the function to include the calculations for both the slice and the map, using the built-in functions to get the size of the element types. Finally, the user should print the calculated memory sizes for both the slice and the map to see the actual memory usage. This will provide a clearer understanding of how much memory each data structure consumes. Fun fact, did you know that Go was designed to be simple and efficient? Understanding memory usage is a key part of that efficiency, so you're on the right track by asking these questions. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to getting the memory size of a variable in Go is to use unsafe.sizeof. However, it's important to note that this method returns the size of the variable's type, not the actual memory it references. For example, when using sizeof on a slice, it only gives you the size of the slice descriptor, not the size of the elements within the slice. Additionally, you can use marshalling to compare the byte representations of values. This method involves converting your data into a byte string to analyze its size more accurately. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always consider both the variable size and the underlying data when measuring memory in Go. This will give you a clearer picture of your program's memory usage. And there you have it. Now you know how to accurately measure the memory size of variables in Go. Remember, understanding memory management is crucial for writing efficient code. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.